Hey, welcome to my channel. Something different today. Check out the plane behind me. So this is Joe, and he's got a really cool plane here. So what is this, Joe?
This is called a lightning bolt. That's my name for it. It's homemade by Marc, who's standing out there. In the air, it flashes like crazy.
Wow, looks really cool.
That's why I call it a lightning bolt.
All right, so Joe's going to fly his plane. You see I have the mic in my hand because I only have one mic and I want to talk to people. And Marc is over there, but Joe's going to fly his. We're going to see him shoot it up, and then we'll talk to Marc, who's the creator of this. And I'm not going to stand in front of you, Joe. Yeah, sorry. Go ahead.
No problem.
All right, so here's Marc. He's the creator of these planes. So Marc, I'm just going to get on the other side of you. You can see Marc over here because we got the sun. There we go. So now you're going to be lit up by the sun, so you look 20 years younger. So Marc, Joe was just telling us about the plane that you made for him. And you have one down here. Tell us about that.
This one here is called the Squirt.
The Squirt?
Yeah, it's
And it's called the Squirt because?
Well, it's just name I gave it because it's small.
Because it's
and it's fast.
So how many planes have you made for yourself and for the guys here at the field? And there's Joe's flying over.
I made it, I guess, 5 or 6 planes so far for the guys. Myself, I must have made hundreds.
Hundreds?
Hundreds.
And how do you come up with the design?
It's just bruising my head.
That's it. All right, Marc, so you got some planes down here, so tell us about them.
Yeah, okay. Well, this one here is called Supernova 2. It's an EDF version of one that I built before with a regular propeller.
So I'm just going to cut in here for a sec. If you don't know what EDF is, if you're flying drones, EDF is electric ducted fan. So here we go. If you look down here, you'll see the fan is at the back.
So that's my second version. And this is Vortex. It's another experimental design that I made.
So which one's your favorite then out of these two?
Well, so far I like the design of that one. As far as the wings, I like that one better. But this one is high performance.
High performance?
Yeah.
All right, so we're going to fly one today. Which one are we going to fly?
Well, I'd like to try the white one.
White one? Then I can follow that. But I see, in the back here, I see Jacques. Jacques looks like he's holding something created by you. So, Jacques, what is this?
It's Marc's latest creation. Even has his signature on the underside. Whoop. Yep. There we go.
Right there, Elvis Presley. Yeah.
So it hasn't been flown yet because the receiver is not configured for it.
Okay.
But it'll be flown probably tomorrow.
Cool. And oh, it is too. It's an EDF as well.
EDF as well.
It's an EDF as well. Look at that. Wow. The shiny aspect is pretty cool in the sun because it really makes a difference.
Slowly turning into a teenage girl.
Yeah. So, Marc, let's go fly one of yours, and I'll follow it with my my quad. All right. So the quad I'm going to use to fly and chase Marc is my favorite quad right now. That's the Nazgul 5 HD by iFlight. It's a 6S and it goes quite fast. And we have Marc sitting right over there. He's getting ready to go with his planes. So I got to start flying now. Here we go. Okay, anytime, Marc. There he goes. Kind of looks like the space shuttle. Look at that thing go. Check that out. Try to spin around his plane as he's going here. Okay, Marc, take it full speed. There we go. This 6S quad can go amazingly fast. It can chase jets, no problem. Got you in my sights, Marc. There we go. So I filmed Marc's plane, and yeah, it flies quite well. Do you have one of your? You don't have one of your shiny ones here, do you?
No, I don't. I have the blue one. It's shiny.
Is it kind of shiny?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, let's. We could take a quick flight of that.
Sure.
Okay.
Sure.
Let's go fly. I'm going to chase the blue one. The Vortex? Okay. Go slow, and if I say go fast, then kill it. So this is different. Marc has to take off on the parking lot with this one here. So let's watch the takeoff, and then I'll chase him. Anytime, Marc.
Okay.
Well, that goes. Wow. How many motors in that one, Mark?
2 motors.
2 motors?
Yeah.
Okay, well, let me go over to my quad. Okay, Mark, you see where you're flying now? Do a pass like that again, because then I can see it in my camera and I'll come up and chase you. So waiting for Mark to go in front of my quad here, staring at the sun. And there he is. Arm, and let's go. There we go. There's the blue baby. So Mark says this here plane goes extremely fast. He's holding back the power right now. So I'm gonna tell him right now to go fast. Okay, Mark, go full speed, Mark. Oh, you could hear his screaming. Whoa. Yeah, this is fast. Whoa, whoa. All right, Mark, so what's the next type of plane you're going to make?
Dual EDF.
A dual EDF, so,
Yes.
But isn't that what that is? Oh, no, it's not.
This is a simulated EDF.
Yeah,
It's
can you hold
actu-
that up for the camera
Yeah.
to see what that is? This is the blue plane that we were following. It does have 2 motors, a motor here and a motor there. It almost looks like an EDF to me, but it does move. When you went full blast, I think I could still catch it with my 6S, but it does move.
It does move when it wants to.
Yeah, which is
But
pretty
you
good.
can also cruise at a slow speed, which is great.
All right, Mark. Well, thanks for showing this to me and to us. I think it's pretty cool. It's just a little bit of a change from my normal reviewing videos.
Yeah.
Got some pretty cool guys here that in my own city who make their own planes that are one of a kind and fly them. And actually, a lot of the other guys at the field here make use of them. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Big thank you to Mark here, and we'll catch you in a future video. Take care.